Hello friends, very good morning one and all. Sastriyakal, Namaskar, Namaskaramu. Today in the topic of light and its applications, we are going to discuss a new concept which is history of optics in alphabets. So this particular section was taking under the platform of Jigyasa, OSA, IEEE, SPY, ACS as well as International Day of Light. Myself, Dr. Praveen Kumar, PhD in Optical Coatings, CSIR CSIO Chandigarh. So before going to see the history of alphabets in optics, we have already covered two sections, which is mixing of light as well as compare the beams. So the upcoming chapters sections will be follows in history of optics in alphabets. So see, there is nothing is visible. So here we can understand without light we cannot see anything. We cannot get any kind of information. So this means there is no light. Without light there is no life. In another slide, if you see, there is a light. If light is there, we can see the sunrise. We can make the life to grow. We can make the life to growth of plants. Plants can change the phenomena of photosynthesis process will be taken oxygen and carbon dioxide releasation of photosynthesis process, all kinds of process will be happen when light is there. So in this particular section we will understand what are the applications of optics in the form of alphabets. So here we can see the history of optics in alphabets like A for astrology, B for biophotonics, C for color of light, D for diffraction and so on. These all things can be understand in this particular session. Kindly understand and share among all your friends. So before going to these kinds of history of optics, for some basic questions we have to remember. So what is optics? Optics is a oldest branch of physics that deals with the properties of light and interaction of matter, and it can be construction of optical instruments that all three these things will be used to detect it. So what is optics? Optics is the branch of physics which deals with properties of light, interaction of matter and construction of optical instrument which can be used to detect it. What are optical sciences? Optical sciences are basically divided into three things: geometrical optics, physical optics and quantum optics. What are the optical sciences? Optical sciences are divided into three types of branches: geometrical optics, physical optics and quantum optics. So after understanding the types of optical sciences and branches of optical sciences and what is optics, we will understand some of the applications of optics in daily life. Optics will be used in agriculture and food technology. Where and how? To see the crop yield, to see the growth of the process, how the plant life is changing, and in textiles and garments to prepare or to fabricate the textiles and garments. It can be also used homes and buildings like home mirrors, home glasses, buildings and windows. All these things will be of optics only. Energy and nuclear reactions, arts and entertainment, astronomy and space exploration. In astronomy it will be used in telescope, Hubble Space Telescope, binoculars, microscope. There are so many kinds of things are there in optics in astronomy and space exploration. Transportation and communication, national security like in AK-47 guns and another kind of Sukhoi fighter planes. Everywhere this security of optics is main important. Medicine and surgery while doing ultrasonications, its medical surgery field optics is important. Aviation sector, electronics and IT, automobiles and traffic management. In automobiles if we see cars, buses, all where we are seeing mirrors, windows and glasses, everywhere it is there. Without these things, there is no life. So thanks a lot friends. Kindly watch the upcoming section of each and every alphabets of optics. We will understand using these kinds of section, and please share among all your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thanking you, thanking you, thanking you.